Hi, my name is Maurice and welcome to my Kickstarter project. My project is a 1/200 scale retro sci-fi toy rocket ship and accessories. Not this rocket ship, but this rocket ship. The goal of this project is to fund production of 1,000 quantities of this rocket ship and its accessories as a reward for the top level backers of this project. The toy model I'm showing you in this video is a 3D printed prototype, but the most cost-effective way to produce 1,000 quantities of this rocket is by plastic injection molding. So the majority of the costs of this project will go towards having the plastic injection molds made so that I can go into production with this product. Alright, so now for a little background. Why did I create this project and this toy? Well, this toy, which I call the StarDust Mark I rocket ship, tells the story of the ICSO. So what's the ICSO? Well, ICSO stands for International Civilian Space Organization. This is a fictional space program funded and operated by civilians. And by supporting this project, you become a member of the ICSO. And now to show you some of the cool features of this toy. Well, first thing you'll notice is its cool retro sci-fi design and styling. You'll notice it has a transparent canopy and a transparent engine nozzle. So those will be used if you want to illuminate the canopy and the engine nozzle with LEDs, and it will show light at night. Alright, so the other cool feature is this cargo door, which you can open. So once you remove the cargo door, you can use these cargo containers included with the kit model to practice spacecraft operations. So these are official 1/200 scale commercial aircraft cargo containers. This is an M1 model cargo container that goes in the cargo bay of the rocket. And then this is an L3 style aircraft commercial cargo container. So that also fits there. So it fits two of those. So there, we just had our first spacecraft operation. Alright, so another cool thing about this model is that you can customize it and it's hackable. So what do I mean by that? So I mean, if you remove this screw, so this screw holds the two halves together, so I'll just remove that. So once I remove the screw, I can separate the two halves. So I have a port and a starboard side. So you can see once I separate it, I can have the two parts. You can see where the cargo containers go into the cargo bay. And then this is the cockpit area with the canopy, which I can remove. So this shows you the hackable feature. So what I've done is I've added some tech to this model. Yeah, this tech isn't part of this project because it would increase the costs. But what I've done is I've included a link on the Kickstarter page for this project to an instructable that shows you how to add this tech. So what is this tech I added? Well, it's a Bluetooth control Arduino. So I can use that to use Bluetooth to turn on the laser, which illuminates the engine nozzle, and an LED that illuminates the cockpit area through the transparent canopy. So it looks pretty cool in the dark. But like I said, that's not part of this project. That's one of the hackable things you can do. If you wanted to, you can add servo motors and sensors or anything else you want to do and create your own app that communicates with Bluetooth. So those instructions are in the instructable. But what comes with the basic kit is the plastic model rocket with all the components you see except for the tech. And like I said, you can customize that. If you're a model maker and you have those skills, you can add additional components inside. Okay, as I mentioned before, if you become a top level backer for this Kickstarter project, you become a member of the ICSO. So what does it mean to be a member? Well, the first thing you get is a membership kit. So what's in the membership kit? Well, you get the StarDust Mark I rocket ship toy, and you get this cool ICSO logo AR sticker. So what do I mean by AR? AR means augmented reality. So what you can do is, if you go to the sticker section on the Kickstarter page for this project, you'll be a link to a website you can go to that'll give you the app that you can use to view this sticker on your device. So if you point your camera at the logo, you will see an augmented reality version of the StarDust Mark I rocket orbiting around the sticker. So that's cool. Another thing you can do with this sticker is apply it to your phone, your laptop, or any other gear you have and turn it into official ICSO space gear. So to demonstrate the AR feature, I've pointed my browser on my cell phone to the website that has the AR page on it, and then all I do is focus my camera on the sticker, and you can see I have an augmented reality version of the rocket on my phone that's orbiting around the sticker. So you can try this out now by going to the sticker section for the Kickstarter page for this project, and there'll be an image there. So you can open the app on your phone browser, point it at the image on the screen, the Kickstarter page, or you can wait till you get your sticker once you become a member. And then you can see it and test it out for yourself. So that's how the AR sticker works. Now, another thing you get is this cool ICSO logo embroidery patch. So what you can do with this is apply it to any article of clothing and turn it into an official ICSO uniform. You also get these blueprints. These blueprints are the blueprints of the StarDust Mark I rocket. They give you the technical specs and all the information you need to know about what makes this rocket ship really go. Last but not least, you get an ICSO membership card. So with the membership card, there'll be a promo code on the card, and you can go to our ICSO web portal and use that promo code to sign up for a free lifetime membership in the ICSO. So what does it mean to be a member of the ICSO? Well, in addition to the membership kit, you get this free lifetime membership. So the main benefit of this lifetime membership is you get to vote on ICSO projects. So a portion of the funds earned from the sale of merchandise and paid memberships from the ICSO web portal, which is separate from this project, some of those funds will be set aside for certain ICSO projects. So the ICSO projects will be a curated list of projects that we want to do. And as a member, you get to vote which of these list of projects gets funded from the pools in the ICSO funds. So that's a cool membership feature. So gear up, suit up, and welcome to the ICSO.